Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 11th accountancy. I, R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, is going to explain for the sake of you the financial statement of enterprises, a series of video that is being sent for the sake of you to watch and deserve the fact information how the financial statement is prepared. In previous video, my dear, you have sent me the problem of question number 14. In question number 14, in previous video, the income statement has been prepared for the sake of you, just like the trading account and profit and loss account. The net profit trading account is prepared to ascertain the gross profit of the enterprise, and in profit and loss account the net profit is ascertained. So dear children, in the sequence of the videos and series of the videos, just the balance sheet of such questions, balance sheet, how the balance sheet will be prepared of question number 14. Now you can see the steps involving in preparing the balance sheet of the question. So we can write first balance sheet, balance sheet as at in question number 14, 31st March 2017. 31st March 2017. Now first you have to draw the column of the balance sheet, just the assets column in right hand side and liabilities column in left hand side. So liabilities amount assets and then amount. Go through the question, the information given, very long questions, and just we have to adjust the additional information also. First we have to search out the capital in liabilities column, that is capital inside. Capital that is given 2,03,000. 2,03,000. And go through the profit, net profit ascertained. Add net profit. Add net profit of the current year. Because of that, the capital increases. When the profit earned by the enterprise, the capital increases. So we have to add this one. 37,296. 37,296. 6, 9, 2, 2,40,296, and then inside of the column drawing given. Drawings 15,000. Drawings, no other information given regarding drawings in the additional information. So less drawing. Less drawing minus 15,000. Drawing is the item which has been withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use. Then you can write 296, 5, 2,25,296. Then after bills payable, bills payable, that is given 13,800. 13,800. Sundry, creditors 30,000. 30,000. This one is the liabilities column filled, and after that go through the additional information given. Closing stock, depreciate plant and machinery, provide only 3 quarters rent has been paid, the last quarter's rent being outstanding. So we can write over here outstanding rent because it will be paid the next year, so it is liabilities outstanding rent. You can see that is 900. Now come to the assets column. First, goodwill. Goodwill that is given 30,000. Then after land and building, land and building, land and building, land and building 60,000. 60,000. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. Because of that, now dear children, that is given the depreciation. So inside of the column, plant and machinery 40,000. This is the way. Less depreciation charged by plant and machinery in additional 5% minus 2,000. That will be the 2,000. So this will be the 38,000. You can see 38,000. Then after loose tools, tools. Also on loose tools 15% depreciation. Loose tools given 3,000. 3,000 less depreciation. Less depreciation 15% minus 450. Just we can write 0, 5, 2,550. The value of loose and tools at the current year. Bills receivable. Bills receivable, that is given the assets. Bills receivable 2,000. 2,000. The amount will be 2,000. Then after stock, purchase, wages, carriage inwards, coal and gas, salaries, rent, discount allowed, cash at bank. Cash at bank. Cash at bank given 25,000. Cash available. Cash available. Cash in hand, that is given 1,400. 1,400. Then after sundry debtors. Sundry debtors inside of the column. It will be written inside of the column. Because of that, the additional information, provision for discount and provision for bad debts given. So these will be deducted from the debtors. Debtors amount given 45,000. Less provision for bad debts. Provision for bad debts is equal to 5%. 2,250. Minus 0.57. After provision for bad debts, the amount will be the debtors are 42,750. Then the provision for discount for 2.5%, that is less discount. Provision for discount 2.5%, 1,069. Just we can calculate this way. 42,750 into 5/2 into 1/100. Just cancel 0, 5 2 जा 4 1 जा 4, 0, 27, 6, 5, and so on. So 1069 in round figure, that will the amount. Just we can deduct from 42,750 1 8 6 1 41,681. The amount will be the debtor 41,681 after deducting the provision for bad debts and provision for discount. Then after advertisement that is also given 3,500 less 1/4 written off, 1/4 written off from profit and loss account, 1/4 875 minus 5 2 6 2 2,625. Then after furniture and fixture, furniture also the depreciation given. Furniture, the amount of furniture 1,200 less depreciation 60. Just the furniture of 5%, then 1140. The amount will be 1140. Investment, we can see investment, the amount given 5,000 investment. Closing stock 60,000, closing stock 60,000 you can see. And then after only one additional information given regarding this, that is accrued interest. Accrued interest we can find, that is given 600 only in additional information. Just after we can total this one. just the total of the liabilities column, 2,69,996. Now come to the assets column. Just the balance sheet is matched. Just the total of the assets column equal to total of the liabilities column, 2,69,996. This is the steps involving given the additional information and whatever the items related to the balance sheet showing the financial position of the enterprise. Assets are in assets column and liabilities are in liabilities column. Whether the balance sheet is matched, your financial statement are showing all the information correct and true. Just drawing the fair view of the enterprise. Thank you very much. Keep on watching and deserve the fact.